Hey, how's going guys? Assad here, and in this video we're gonna talk about fill method in the array. So what it does, it gonna fill with the elements you want inside an array. So what you need to do is create an array like var array 1 equals we need array of numbers 2 3 comma 4. After that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console and use that method. So array1 dot fill. So first parameter its take is what we want to put, like I want to put geo, and second is where you want to put, like to this position, and where do you want to put 4. It doesn't have 4 but up to 4, that's why it's 3. So if we do that, it's gonna say geo. Now I will again log it on a console, array1 dot fill. After that, what I'm gonna do, paste 5 comma 1. If only I put only 2 parameters, what's gonna happen, it gonna go up to the end position while it's not this. So when you do that, it gonna do every one of them is 5, and if you directly do like only 5, it gonna go with 5s, only 5s. So hope you understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.